इश्क है दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया.
I think the song is amazing, it's lovely. It's when Tariq gets a call where Kullu wants to spend those 3 days with him. So he's really happy. He goes back to Hedri Kebab and he gets out of his car and he's just like in the mood to party and like just celebrate with all his people and tell the world that he's got the girl, he thinks.
Habib sir told me कि what is happening naturally in the restaurant has to be the choreography. It should be like choreographed steps.
It's all got to do with your surroundings and all the shots were set up like that. I'm first on a table, then I'm picking up plates, then I'm jumping up on some other table and the song was a little story in itself, yeah.
I don't have any item numbers. The only seductive thing that I could throw in was food. I used to be more particular about what the food was looking like than the makeup of the actors, and my assistants would often point that out to me, and the actors would also get bothered that, hey, you're not looking at our faces, you're more bothered about the food. The playing out of the song had to be done like a scene, that Tariq along with all his mates, the waiters, the regular guests, they're all waiting for Gulrez to come.
दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया.
दावत-ए-इश्क गाना एक कव्वाली in a modern form with modern singers singing in a very funky way. और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है दावत-ए-इश्क के अंदर उसकी लिखाई. कौसर मुनीर. It was more difficult to write the song than compose.
So yeah, we needed to create a song for this Bawarchi in which he would boo this woman that he has fallen in love with. The best way to do that was to do it in the metaphors of cooking and feasting and dawat. And Kausar is just very good with using metaphors.
वो जो खाने पीने के रेफरेंस हैं वो एक्चुअली उन दोनों के बीच का जो रिश्ता है और जो इमोशंस है और जो तकरार है और जो फिर मिठास है और फिर जो तीखापन है उस सब को पोर्ट्रे कर रहा है.
If you just follow the lyric, it will just take you through the whole screenplay of the song. So you just need to follow the screenplay. And I love doing songs like this.
I've never done too much dance in my life and I don't pick up steps too fast. It takes time. So I'd have loved to have rehearsed for the song. But it was such a song that was set, it was so situational and it was set in that whole place that I don't think you could really rehearse it in a hall because you're interacting with all your surroundings. Like there was a cauliflower lying over there and we said we were going to put a rose, but we said instead of a rose, why don't we just keep it in the theme of food and the movie and what is actually around you instead of suddenly from nowhere coming out with a rose, you know. So that just happened spontaneously. We said, chalo, cauliflower ko le lo, offer it to her, and that's what the shot is. And I think it's really, it's a sweet moment.
My favorite track in the film is Dawat-e-Ishq. And I'm very upset with Chini sir that he has not made me dance. I wanted to dance, but there was just no room. Aditya got to do all the dancing he got to do. I hate that. We took 7 days to shoot this song and we wrapped up, I think, in the middle of the night, maybe 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. And I think somebody just put on the song again and the whole crew danced on the whole song. Everybody knew the steps and everybody just danced like mad. We were all just looking at each other and saying, we hope that this song is really successful because we've had so much fun shooting it.
7 nights or 8 nights probably, that was the journey of Dawat-e-Ishq and it was one of the memorable journeys in my life.
दावत-ए-इश्क है, दावत-ए-इश्क है.